So guys, I hit my hand. What's that noise? Oh, what the hell was doing it? So guys, that was all for my bake with me. Derek, seriously, stop making
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really.
Hey guys, it's Tamia here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be another really exciting video in my Christmas series. This video is going to be a bake with me. So I'm going to show y'all some of my favorite treats that I love to eat during the holidays. These treats are really easy to make, they're really cheap, and are also really good. So I cannot wait to show y'all how I make these. Anyways, I have some really exciting news for you guys. This year I will be doing 12 days of Vlogmas. It officially starts December 14th, 2018. Since I'm doing the 12 days of Vlogmas here on my main channel, I'm only going to be doing like regular, legit, real videos just like this one. I'm going to probably throw a vlog or two in there, but I really want y'all to see like some actual videos because I know y'all tired of like seeing vlogs and stuff like that, because like my last few videos were nothing but vlogs. Anyway guys, I don't want to ramble too much in this intro because I want to show y'all how I make these really good treats. So if you do enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, which is linked in that down right below. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. So guys, the first treat that I'm making today are these Pretzel Hugs. So to make these Pretzel Hugs, you are going to need some pretzels, obviously, Hershey Kisses candies, and also M&M's candies. So the first thing you want to do is grab a baking sheet and also some foil, and just go ahead and lay the foil out on the baking sheet. Next, you just want to lay out your pretzels on the baking sheet, and it really doesn't matter how many pretzels you use. These bags come with such large quantities of pretzels, so you can make as many pretzel hugs as you want. After that, you just want to take your Hershey Kisses candy and start opening them and then just placing them on the middle of the pretzel. And it actually works better if you use the butter snap pretzels. Those are the square shaped ones, but in my town they only sell the regular kind of pretzels, so I had to kind of improvise. And if y'all are wondering where the other hand is coming from, that is my boyfriend Derek. He had to help me do this because this is a very tedious process, guys. So guys, now that you have all of your pretzels and Hershey Kisses laid out across your baking pan, it is now time to put them in the oven. You do not want to keep them in the oven for more than 1 minute. No more than 1 minute. You will have chocolate everywhere if you keep them in for that long. And do not let them cool. So guys, once you have taken the baking sheet out of the oven and your Hershey Kisses are partially melted, you just want to take your M&Ms and go ahead and push them on top of the Hershey Kisses candy, and they will basically just kind of sink into the Hershey Kiss really nicely. And for our last and final baking step of making the pretzel hugs, is all you have to do is pop them in the refrigerator or the freezer for at least 5 minutes and just kind of let them harden a little bit, let them cool off a little bit. And yes guys, that is how you make these really cute pretzel hug snacks. So guys, next thing we're going to be making are these chocolate covered Rice Krispie treats. For this treat I use Rice Krispie treats, white melting chocolate, and sprinkles. So the first thing that I did was just take all the Rice Krispies out of the box, and then I just took them all out of their packages. After that, I just took the melting chocolate and went ahead and put a few cubes of it in a bowl, and then I went ahead and microwaved it. So for the microwave, I put this on 1 minute and 30 seconds, but it just depends on the melting chocolate that you have. So once the melting chocolate was done melting, I went ahead and kind of mixed it inside the bowl just a little bit more, just kind of stirred it up a little bit. And then after that, it was time to go ahead and coat the Rice Krispie treats. So I actually just coated half of the Rice Krispie treat and left like the bottom half bare. After that, I just went ahead and took some sprinkles and sprinkled the top of the Rice Krispie treat.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
After that, I just popped the Rice Krispies in the freezer for about 5 minutes to just kind of get them hardened, and then I put them in these really cute treat bags that I found at the dollar store. So guys, now going into our last treat for the day, I'll be making these chocolate covered pretzels. So for these pretzels, you're going to need pretzels, white melting chocolate, and sprinkles. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and lay all of your pretzels out on a plate. After that, you just want to go ahead and melt your chocolate. So once your chocolate is melted and everything, all you want to do is take your pretzels and just kind of drop them inside the bowl, and just take a spoon and kind of coat each pretzel. So once I dipped all my pretzels in the chocolate, I just kind of laid them out on a plate and then went ahead and sprinkled them with some sprinkles. And then after that, I just put them in these really cute treat bags, just like I did the Rice Krispie treats. So guys, that was all for my bake with me video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you guys got some good little ideas for some snacks during the holidays. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel, which is linked in the down bar below, and follow me on all my social media, which is also linked in the down below. Anyways, I will see y'all in my next Christmas video, and get ready for Vlogmas because it's gonna be lit. Bye bye.
Let the candles burn slow. Forever young I wanna be in this moment.